Hey YouTube, I'm camped out in a rest area near Mount Rainier, Mount Adams area, Gifford National Forest, Washington State. And this is going to be the last fishing trip of the year, so I'm camped out down here instead of driving up to the lake tonight, because it's 30 miles on gravel road and no point in driving the truck camper over a road with all sorts of pits and pots and washboards and branches, and you get the idea. It's a lot better to just do it in the daytime. So I'll spend the night here. I'm going to make some dinner pretty quick and then go to bed, get up early, and head on up the mountain. So here's what we got here. Let me just show you around a little bit. There's a little kitchen area there. Sink, stove. Haven't decided what I'm going to make for dinner yet. I did buy myself a baguette loaf of bread, which I'm a big sucker for fresh bread. I've got some chips, potato chips, corn chips, and then there's the bed up there. I've got a bunch of stuff piled up on top of that. What do we got here? So we got food-wise, well, for treats, there is Tillamook ice cream. We've got some Ore-Ida hash browns, and then there are a bunch of fish sticks, Trident seafood fish sticks. Down here, we've got a salad, eggs, milk, buttermilk for pancakes, pesto, Jimmy Dean sausage, Costco tri-tip steaks. We've got some white mushrooms, more salad. So we'll do pretty good up there for food. We got some beer, salsa, bottle of wine. So it's just going to be myself and Dave fishing. See if we can catch ourselves some trout again. Let me just walk you outside here and I'll show you where I am holed up. Okay, so you can see there's the restroom facility down there. There's a picnicking area over there. And this is going to be kind of cool. If you look up into the hillside, we're going to have a moon coming out. So that'll be kind of cool. I'm wondering what that's going to look like later. The other thing, we've got a lot of elk are out tonight. And there won't be any in here, I doubt, because it's all fenced in. So the elk cannot get in here. But we'll see what happens. So yeah, anyway, this here is the rest area. Nice big parking lot. There's a truck there with a couple of, looks like work trailers on it. So he's probably got to spend some time here getting his log rest documented. Oh, I guess the camera will not zoom in the selfie mode. So over here, there's the truck and camper. Gonna do some cooking here in a little bit. I spent the night here before. There's another truck camper is heading in over there with a trailer. They might have the same idea I do. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna hop on inside and make some dinner. Another reason to camp out here is because internet and phone service. I'm going to be going down 30 miles of roads here pretty quick, gravel roads, back roads, and there's no service once you get up there. So anyway, well, there's my neighbor. Yeah, it's a nice setup. I'm gonna do some motorbike riding, dirt biking. Cool. Okay. Okay, we just have a quick, easy dinner we're making, which is fried mushrooms, sauteed mushrooms and onions, and tri-tip steak. So we're just kind of searing that a little bit. And that will be dinner. I'm going to eat about half of that, and then have the other half in the morning. What I might do is make a steak breakfast burrito. Scrambled egg, steak, and some other stuff. Cheese, lettuce, salsa, pecan... what do they call that? Pico de Gallo. So, anyway, okay, well, that's dinner. I'm going to enjoy and then go to bed and get up in the morning. Alright, thanks for watching, and see you on the next video, probably in a couple of days. I'm going to say that that steak, mushroom and onions, turned out better than I thought it was going to. I did stop myself from eating, though. I'm doing that restricted time diet. And it's a little later than 6 o'clock, which is my normal cutoff. But I've been driving, and I didn't get a chance to eat earlier, and this is it now. And I'll justify it by saying that I'm going to be doing a lot of hiking this weekend, too. So, that's all it was. Onions, mushrooms, and a tri-tip steak. And for seasoning, we just used Tony Shaker's, or Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. And some garlic powder, and that's it. Turned out really good. So anyway, I've got hot water in the pan here. Just gonna rinse it out real quick, wipe it dry, and the dishes will be done. Okay, so yeah, gonna go to bed here in a while. Get up in the morning, head up the mountain. I might be able to get another video up in the morning, but otherwise I will be disposed for a couple of days while I'm up there trying to catch fish. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you on the next one, hopefully with a good fishing report.